well. Very nice, nicely appointed. Here is...
Hello.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
Good.
We have a refrigerator. Keurig. Excellent. Very nicely decorated. Lovely space. There you go. 5-star review. Okay, Mother, cheers to you with my water. What did you order?
Mojito.
Here we are at Crema. This is fantastic. All right. Our adventure today is the beautiful Tuzagut National Monument.
How do we get in?
Are you ready, Mother?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Okay, let us go into the monument itself. Wow, look at that. If you can see some of the reconstruction, they said that this is not original. This was reconstructed. Oh, look at that. Makes me want to go swimming.
Okay, it goes this way, that way. You want me to take a video?
It's already on.
It was running. Sorry, Amy. I moved it. Here she goes. Down to the river. I know you're gonna fall, Amy. I know you're gonna fall. Look at this beautiful river.
All right, here we are. Verde Valley Railroad. We are on this Scottsdale car. All right, look at this spread. What do we got here? Crackers, some little mustard, some meats, some cheeses, some dessert, grapes, strawberry to go in the champagne for our champagne toast. Then, yes, here, cheers. Let's do a cheers. Cheers. And then we also have tomato bisque and grilled cheese.
This part of the train slow so you can take photos. Here's a tip. The optimal photography location is on the right side of the train for an open air viewing. What does this OE mean? Well, even though tall trails don't
All right, kids, rule number 1, don't play on the train tracks.
Okay, here we are coming into Sedona. Take you over here. Amy's driving. And look at the views. We will get many more close-ups, but look at this.
Here we are in the Matterhorn. Look at this. This is our balcony. Pro tip, stay in room 101. And this is the balcony that you get.
Here we are in uptown Sedona. And as usual, Amy is working. Are you working?
I'm working.
Every minute of the day.
I'm working hard.
She's working hard. Or
Hard for
hardly working. Let's see what she's got up there.
Oh no!
We're gonna go to the psychic, but we think this is better.
Zoltar, the great gypsy, at your service. Listen carefully. It is better to keep your mouth shut and be thought a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. And also my...
Ready.
Here we go, my future.
The great Zoltar here. Listen to this, your fortune, for I tell you it is true. The smallest good deed is better than the grandest intention. Take it from me, the great Zoltar. Intending shall get you nowhere, but doing, yes, that will bring you much, much reward.
He had his trees, and he acts like,
He's starving. The carrot.
trust me, you would not notice there's any food at all.
Serve that salad.
Another healthy dinner.
Yes. Okay, here we are. We are ready. We're checked in. We're ready for our pink Jeep tour. Okay, we're ready to go. And your name again, please.
My name is Crash.
Crash. Excellent, Crash. We're ready to go.
With Crash.
Okay guys, this track we're going on, in its previous lives, once upon a time it was the cow trail. I can do this blindfolded if you want me to.
We have returned. We're all back. House of Apache Fires.
Oh, he was president of TWA.
Look at that. Sweet. Is it donated to the park now? Okay, we're walking in the beautiful Red Rock State Park. I mean, look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it right in that green bush?
Yep.
It's Sasquatch.
It's
I think it's Bigfoot.
it's a deer. I saw it.
Oh, it's a deer.
Oh, it's a deer.
It is a deer. Okay.
It's eating. Here we are in Red Rock State Park. absolutely lovely. We're hiking some of the trails. Where it is.
I wasn't even looking.
And then,
We'll tell the ranger.
what would you say, 4 feet?
And we are enjoying this loveliness right here. Look at that. Sedona, Arizona. Okay, here we are at Chapel of the Holy Cross, and look at my parking spot. And this fine gentleman has picked us up to give us a ride up the hill to the church.
Towers on the right?
Yes.
Towers? That's called the Sisters or the Nuns. And if you look to the left about 200 feet, that's the Madonna holding the baby. See her?
Yep,
You see the Madonna holding the baby?
I do.
Wrong way?
To the left of the two sisters, about 200 feet.
Oh,
See it?
yes.
That's the Madonna. That's the sign. The woman that built this place was flying around. She didn't know where to put it. So she saw that as a sign from God to build it right here.
Oh, very. Okay, here we are at Devil's Bridge Trailhead. A little bit of traffic. Oh my God.
What's that branch? Branch, she's got ahead.
Please go ahead.
I let all these folks go. I just need to. I'll go fast. There you go.
I'll get on here.
I'll get out of her way.
Oh, look at this. Am I gonna climb up? Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God.
Where's the fast pass? Oh, right there?
Okay, here's Amy on her way down. She'll have all the Devil's Bridge pictures. She's just waiting because the path is kind of crowded, as you can see. The final. See, she's trying to show. She's trying to show off. Here she comes.
Did you get that on video?
Of course.
Good.
Here she comes. She made it.
I made it!
Yay!
Woo. That was rough. Okay, we're at the Andante Inn, and this is the patio view. Pretty dang nice. Here we are at Gerardo's. Oh, This is cool out here.
Okay, so pizza for you.
Oh, look at that.
Would you guys like any Parmesan reddish peppers?
Parmesan, yes.
I'll get some Parmesan.
Okay. Ho, 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 ho. All right, now we are arriving at what is called Buddha Beach. The adventure. The water is chilly. It is very, very busy.
Here we are at Buddha Beach at Crescent Moon Ranch. Amy's going to cross that. She's very secure, sure-footed. She made it. You know what hurts?
Your knees.
Oh, golly.
I'm not laughing, you're laughing.
Are you texting me? I mean, videotaping me?
Yep. Now do a celebration. Ta-da!
Here we are. We came to Crescent Moon Ranch.
Quail Creek, Oak Creek.
Oak Creek. Amy said Quail Creek. Ah! How's the water, Amy? Freezing. Freezing.
All right, here we are in the historic city of Jerome. Gold mining town. Here we are in Jerome. This is the office for the ghost tours.